Hello, and welcome to episode 9 of the Solo English podcast. In this episode, we are going to learn about English tenses. Tenses are very important because they tell us when an action happens. Many learners get confused about past, present, and future. Don't worry, today we will make it very simple and clear. A tense is the form of a verb that shows the time of an action. There are three main groups of tenses in English: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Example: past, I watched a movie yesterday. Present, I am watching a movie now. Future, I will watch a movie tomorrow. The first form is called the simple tense. Simple past, I ate breakfast. Simple present, I eat breakfast every day. Simple future, I will eat breakfast tomorrow. We use simple tense for facts and regular actions. The second form is the continuous tense. It shows that an action is happening for some time. Past continuous, I was eating breakfast when you called. Present continuous, I am eating breakfast now. Future continuous, I will be eating breakfast at 8 a.m. This shows an action in progress. The third form is the perfect tense. It shows that an action is finished before another time. Past perfect, I had eaten before you arrived. Present perfect, I have eaten already. Future perfect, I will have eaten by 9 a.m. The fourth form is the perfect continuous tense. It shows that an action continues for a period of time. Past perfect continuous, I had been eating for 30 minutes before you arrived. Present perfect continuous, I have been eating for 20 minutes. Future perfect continuous, I will have been eating for 30 minutes by the time you come. To understand tenses better, use time words. Yesterday, last week, and in 2010 are for past tense. Now, today, and every day are for present tense. Tomorrow, next week, and in the future are for future tense. Example: yesterday I went to school. Today I go to school. Tomorrow I will go to school. Learners often make mistakes with tenses. Mistake 1. Yesterday I eat pizza. Correct. Yesterday I ate pizza. Mistake 2. I am go to school every day. Correct. I go to school every day. Mistake 3. Tomorrow I go to the market. Correct. Tomorrow I will go to the market. Always match the verb with the correct time. Let us practice with daily life sentences. Past, I visited my friend yesterday. Present, I visit my friend every Sunday. Future, I will visit my friend next week. Another example with the verb play. Past, I played football yesterday. Present, I play football every evening. Future, I will play football tomorrow. Now let's try a small practice. Take one verb and make 3 sentences: past, present, and future. Let's try with the verb cook. Past, I cooked dinner yesterday. Present, I cook dinner every day. Future, I will cook dinner tomorrow. Now you can try with verbs like travel, read, and study. Today we learned about English tenses. There are 3 main groups: past, present, and future. Each group has 4 forms: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. We also looked at common mistakes and daily life examples. Remember to practice every day. This is the best way to master English tenses. Thank you for listening to episode 9 of the Solo English podcast. In the next episode, we will learn about English prepositions and how to use them correctly. See you in episode 10.